Hi, I'm Dana, teaching artist with Young Audience of Louisiana. This is Baby Artsplay, partnering with the Ogden Museum of Southern Arts. Welcome to Workshop Tiny Motor Skills. In this workshop, we will focus on fine motor skills. All you need is to make sure that you have a safe space right on the floor for you and your little one to have fun with the activities. I'll give you a second to get ready. Fine motor skills. Fine motor skills represent the little movements we take for granted as adults. It is the ability to move small muscles in our hands, fingers, and arms to manipulate, control, and use tools and material. The foundation to everyday tasks like tying your shoe or zipping your jacket are also essential to educational activities like reading and writing. Regardless to your child's area of interest, there are activities available to offer children the opportunity to practice their fine motor skills. Meet your child where they are. Cater to their interests and encourage your little one to play dress up, mold Play-Doh sculptures, and build Lego towers. Let's practice our fine motor skills. Okay, I hope you guys are ready to sing our hello song. And you can also say hello by saying hola, which is how you say hello in Spanish. Can you say hola?
Hola.
This is my son,
Jidelu.
Jidelu's here. He's going to help me out with a few activities. Okay, let's start. 1 hand up, 2 hands up. Wiggle your fingers, let me know that you're ready. And then go hi, hello. Can you say hi? Hi, hello, and hi, hello. One more time. Hi, hello. Hands up. You ready? Let's start with one hand and sing hello. Here we go. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. And hello, hello, hello. Sing with me. Hello, hello, hello. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Now let's sing hola. Can you say hola?
Hola.
Can you say hola?
Hola.
Hola is how you say hello in Spanish. Here we go.
Hola.
Hola, 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 everybody. Hola, hola, hola. One more time. Here we go. Hola, 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 hola. Both hands. Hello, everybody. Hola, hola, hola. Hands down. Ah, good job. Let's make sure your hands are warm. Let's go. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. One more time. Hands up. Hands down. Ah, good job. Say it with me. Up. Hands up. Hands down. Hands up. Hands down. One more time. Hands up. Hands down. Good job. Let's wiggle our hands. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Freeze. Let's shake our hands. Here we go. Shake, 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 freeze. Here you go. Shake, 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 freeze. One more time. Shake, 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 shake. Freeze. Hands down. Oh, good job. Let's do a round of applause. You did a good job. Good job. For this activity, we're going to be using our fingers. Can you wiggle your fingers? Oh, good job. And we're going to be hiding them behind our back. Let's hide them behind our back. Hide them behind our back. Good job. And we're going to bring a few of them out one by one. Let's talk about those fingers. Can we hold one hand up? Make an L. And let's talk about our thumb. Our thumb. Can you touch your thumb? Can you touch your thumb? And then this is our pointer finger. Can you touch your pointer finger? Good job. Now let's use the other hand. Other hand up. Let's make an L. Can you touch your thumb? Yes. And can you touch your pointer finger? Good job. And put them behind your back. Okay, let's sing Where is Thumb again. Are you ready out there? Yes, you look ready. Are you ready today, Lou?
Yes.
Okay, let's sing. Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? Here I am. Here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Pointer? Where is Pointer? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, thank you. Run away, run away. Where is all the fingers? Where is all the fingers? Here we are, here we are. How are you today, friends? Very well, thank you. Run away, run away. Let's go one more time. Here we go. Where is Thumbkin? Where is Thumbkin? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, thank you. Run away, run away. Where is Pointer? Where is Pointer? Here I am, here I am. How are you today, friend? Very well, thank you. Run away, run away. Where are all the fingers? Where are all the fingers? Here we are, here we are. How are you today, friends? Very well, thank you. Run away, run away. Yay, good job. Can I see your fingers? Yay, wiggle those fingers so I can sing it, and wiggle them fast. And wiggle them slow. Wiggle them fast. And wiggle them slow. And hide them behind your back. Hey, good job. Good job out there. For this next activity, we're going to sing the Diez Amigos song. Can you say Diez Amigos?
Diez amigos.
Diez Amigos.
Diez amigos.
We're going to sing the Diez Amigos with our fingers. We're going to count from 1 to 10 in Spanish. Here we go. Sing with us. 1, 2, y 3 amigos. 4, 5, 6 amigos. 7, 8, 9 amigos. 10 amigos son. Let's try it again. 1, 2, y 3 amigos. 4, 5, 6 amigos. 7, 8, 9 amigos. 10 amigos son. One more time. Are you ready out there?
Yes.
Use your fingers to count all the way till 10. Here we go. 1, 2, y 3 amigos. 4, 5, 6 amigos. 7, 8, 9 amigos. 10 amigos son. Good job. Wiggle those fingers. Wiggle them fast. Wiggle them slow. Great job at Diez Amigos. Great job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Now let's sing the Itsy Bitsy Spider song. Let's move our fingers together just like this. Exactly. To pretend that we have a itsy bitsy spider. But where is it going? Up the water spout. Here we go. Let's sing. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yes, you got it. Let's sing it again. Here we go. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Oh, where is that spider? I see a spider right here on Lou's head, crawling all the way down to his neck, all the way down to under his arm, all the way down to his toes. Good job. Now you have it. Let's sing it one more time. Are you ready out there?
Yes.
Are you ready today, Lou?
Yes.
You ready with the spider on your head?
Yeah.
Yes, here we go. The itsy bitsy spider crawled up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider ran up the spout again. Good job at singing the itsy bitsy spider. It's so itsy bitsy. Can you hold your itsy bitsy spider? Good job. Good job. Give yourselves a round of applause. Good job singing the itsy bitsy spider. Let's take a look at our featured art. What do you see? I see a face. Do you see the face? I see an eye, a nose, and a mouth. Do you see the white feathers and the cowrie shells on top of the person's head in this art? Yes, that is called a headpiece. Can you use your hands and put it on top of your head like the person in the art piece to make a headpiece? Wow, great job. Your headpiece looks really nice. What else do you see? Do you see a lot of colors? I do. I see red, black, silver, green, and yellow, and blue. Do you see the blue stones on the neck piece? Wow, what a great art. This artwork was created by Baba Zohar, who is from New Orleans. This artwork represents the unique connection between the West African culture and the New Orleans Mardi Gras Indians. What a great piece of art. Okay, guys, you did a great job. You did a great job, Lulu. Everybody did a great job, but now it's time to sing our goodbye song. So we're going to sing our goodbye song the same as the hello song, but we're going to sing adios also, which is goodbye in Spanish. Can you say adios?
Adios.
Can you say adios?
Adios.
Oh, good job. Good job. One hand up and two hands up. Wiggle your fingers, let me know that you're ready. And then go high and low, and high and low. Say hi. High and low, and high and low. Okay, now let's sing the goodbye song. Here we go. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Both hands. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Again. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Now let's sing it and saying adios. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, everybody. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, adios, adios. Adios, adios, adios. Both hands. Adios, everybody. Adios, adios, adios. Hands down. Good job. Thank you for singing Adios with me, or Goodbye song. You did a great job. Everybody did a great job. Give yourselves a thumbs up. Good job. And a pat on the back. Good job. And a round of applause. Applause. Good job. Good job, Lulu.